With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The vestigial organs are the organs that occur in reduced form and unless to the processor, but these are the homologous to the fully developed and functional organ related animals. Pythons and the snakes. Python and snakes are evolved from lizards-like animals. Pythons and snakes. Python is also a snake, so we talk about Python, so I can write separately, but snakes are evolved from the lizards-like reptiles, like reptiles. But due to the evolutions or their life cycles, they lost their limbs and girdles completely. But in pythons and boas, there are pelvic girdles, and reduced hind limbs are present.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.